Hybrid colors on a hybrid shoe. Hybrid's crazy. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Max 91 Purple Basalt. Now, this colorway is a hybrid. It is the Air Max 1 upper with the Air Max 90 midsole and outsole. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard red and white Nike sportswear box, and the colorway is Purple Basalt and Anthracite. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a mostly suede upper with the leather detailing for the branding. Taking a look at the toe, you've got the purple suede toe box with the black cap for the front, and you have the purple suede toe cap. For the tongue, you've got a nylon tongue with the black Nike Air Max tongue tag. The insole is Purple Basalt, and you have the black Nike Air logo. Taking a look at the lateral, you've got the Purple Basalt lateral with the overlay panels, also in Purple Basalt, and all of it is in suede. And you have the Anthracite Nike swoosh in leather. The heel is also Purple Basalt, and you have the black Nike Air branding. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the Purple Basalt suede upper with the Purple Basalt suede overlays, and you have the Anthracite Nike swoosh. The midsole is white, and it's the Nike Air Max 90 midsole with the visible Nike Air Max unit, and you have a black outsole. Similar to the Air Max 91 metallic gold, the quality on this shoe is amazing. The suede on this shoe rivals the Jordan 11 Jeter, which I reviewed earlier this year, and it's just amazing quality all around. I'm slowly warming up to the hybrid Air Max unit, but what also helps the shoe is the fact that it's a really comfortable shoe as well. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Air Max 91 Purple Basalt hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on August 25th for a retail price of $140. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.